pages, memorized, repeated, and often forgotten. But inside every child lies a question waiting to be explored. What if learning could spark curiosity instead of silence? Introducing Annapurna Prayogshala, a groundbreaking initiative under the National Education Forum. A space where learning is not taught but experienced, where classrooms transform into laboratories of curiosity. Annapurna Prayogshala is a unique laboratory designed especially for pre-primary and primary learners, where science comes alive through simple, safe, everyday materials, turning kitchens into classrooms and curiosity into discovery. This is not just an activity. It is experiential learning through real-life exploration. Every experiment builds observation, every question sparks thinking. Every moment creates understanding by integrating science, nutrition, and life skills. Annapurna Prayogshala nurtures not just knowledge but awareness, responsibility, and life readiness. Children don't just learn what happens, they understand why it happens. Envisioned by Dr. Geetanjali Mukherjee, Joint Secretary, National Education Forum, a visionary leader, dedicated to transforming early childhood education in India. Vision is to make learning meaningful, experiential, and accessible to every child. Successfully conducted in renowned schools across Kolkata, these trial sessions have already demonstrated how young learners can explore science through engaging, joyful experiments using materials from their everyday surroundings, making learning simple, relatable, and powerful. And the best part, Annapurna Prayogshala is designed to be absolutely budget-friendly because meaningful education should be accessible, not expensive. Because learning must never stop. Step into a world where every question matters, every experiment inspires, and every child becomes a creator. Because when children learn by doing, they don't just gain knowledge, they discover their potential. More than a program, it is a movement to redefine early education in India. Join hands with National Education Forum and be a part of this revolution.
Very small, she used to teach me in the kitchen. My father, his photograph is here. He was in the Indian Army. From there I have received the feeling of nationality. Next comes financial literacy. These subjects need to be there and inculcated in early childhood. Shantanu ma'am, this is your answer. As I told you, because those who will be joining hands with National Education Forum, the schools will be accredited as well as they will be getting lifetime, they will be getting the lesson plans. Day-wise, hour-wise, minute-wise and second-wise. So the planning will be given and let your teachers be trained so that they can implement this, and the training will be given for only 2,250 rupees. That is an online training, app-based training where Novi will be our partner. So this is what we are creating. We are creating an education system where we must start from the grassroots. The teachers, the educators, those who are connected with National Education Forum, they will be with us as a faculty member, as an educator, so that we can create a better India. Anything, she can come, he or she can come and share their experiences, what they think about it. Because we have given trials in different schools and we have seen the results. After that, we have produced the papers in a press conference. After that, this is our launch program of Annapurna Prayogshala. We are